The Esri Maintenance program keeps your ArcGIS solution up to date, connected and moving forward, providing you with access to software updates, unlimited technology support and free e-learning modules. Being on maintenance ensures you're working with the latest software capabilities and protects your work from security risks. It also provides you with access to our team of experienced technical support specialists, helping you resolve issues quickly so you can work more efficiently. Powerful e-learning tools are also available to help you grow your skills to achieve the results you need. Get the most from your GIS investment.